Gentlemen, so I just wanted to provide you guys with a quick update on the JPY pairs. Obviously, at the moment, the JPY pairs are still just like falling off the face of a cliff. Specifically, CADJPY, CHF is sitting. It's just been cruising along this support line at the moment, but it's what we want to see from CHF because it means it's a relatively weak zone. When we start getting reactions like this off it, then we know that's a very, very strong area. But now we're seeing this consolidation period. We know that this level is getting weakened. Buyers are starting to lose interest, and we're just seeing this across the board. So we've got this kind of area of liquidity at the moment that USD JPY is continually tapped into. This level seems to be rejected, and we're just seeing weakness on the JPYs across the board. I mean, even with Great British Pound, which I took a couple losses on last week. It's still just showing weakness. Bulls have tried to push it up, and the pound is so strong at the moment, and it's just not able to do it, which is just further kind of demonstrating the strength of the Japanese yen at the moment. Yet again, Australian dollar, JPY, very, very weak. Got this kind of head and shoulders that has formed, and we're now just moving to the downside. So now price has kind of confirmed it. I'm going to be looking for some shorts. I think at the moment the price action on CADJPY is the best in terms of my strategy. Now we can see here that obviously we've got this head and shoulders pattern form, a couple of breaks down, which provided us with a nice entry on the retest of the liquidity line, and it's still just continuing to move to the downside. Now, yesterday we saw a lot of buying going on. We saw a correction, and it just tapped into this level, and as soon as it tapped into this level yesterday, sellers just took complete hold. And now what we're seeing a very impulsive move to the downside, and we're starting to see a correction form in the way of a bearish flag. So what we're looking for now is we're looking for a continuation. We're looking for a continuation of this pattern. Now I did have one entry set here. I decided not to take it because I think realistically, now we're going to be looking at wiping out. We're going to be looking at wiping out this liquidity here, and it looks like this may potentially happen today. It's not a huge move. It's a 1.56 move, but this is definitely, now we've taken out this liquidity here, buyers still haven't really stepped in. We're looking to aim to take out this area of liquidity right here, and as I say, it's looking like this may happen today. So we've got this catch me doing this stop loss that big. It looks like, as I say, this may happen today. Who knows? We could see a further consolidation, but it's definitely playing into our hands. So what I'm going to be looking for here on CADJPY is a break below this trend line to retest the flag, and then just make its way down. To this area of liquidity where we will probably see a nice little sell-off. So JPY is still very, very bearish. now need to find a position. We now need to find a position into this. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. We're going to wait for a break of this consolidation, and then we're going to look for an entry. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to set an alert onto this. But yeah, real weakness from the JPYs, very, very short update, and we'll see what happens in the markets.